Hi, it's Max from YouTube. Some of you want to see my videos, and we'll open another pack of Pokemon. It's this one. We got our codes right here, so let's open them up. First, we have to open all these. First, we got this big card. Next, we got. First, we'll open the Charizard pack. Like, we probably will get a baby Charizard in the front or a big Charizard. This is a good chance. Let's see. Hopefully, you guys like and subscribe if you like Pokemon. Like, subscribe so we can get a good pack of something. Ava, don't go any further. Now you can go. It's my head blocking. First, we got a little magnet guy. Don't worry about that. It's my little sister playing with the dog. So we had to have to. But hold on, here she does one in front of it. Yeah, there she goes. Here's another friend of Pikachu. There's a friend of Pikachu. First we got this card. Then we got a wolf. Don't come crying to me when you get hurt, Ava. First we got, next one we got a frog. It has like a ball with lightning inside of his mouth. Stop one in front of the video, Ava. Next we got like a big tree, an evil tree. Next card we got this. Next card we got this. Ava, just so you know, you can stay right here. I don't care. In my video. First we got, next one we got this. Those are the best cards you got. And the big one, so that's the next one I got. That's the one. Next we got this one. And next we got the Hollow. Next we got this rainbow card. That's the end of the first pack. No baby Charizard. We did get that other one though. Next we're opening this bag. Hopefully we get something good. Like, subscribe so we get something good. Sorry, it's my little sister. She's born along the video. Now, first, we got this. We don't need this. First, we got this card. Next, we got this. 1 second. pause the video. There we go. Next card we got this bunny just jumping. Next card we got this. Next card we got is this. Next card we got is rocket. Next card we got this microphone. Next card we got this new Hollow. Punching card, we already got that. Not bad. We got another Hollow. And the best card we got on here is this card. With the rainbow. Strike him. Next card we just got a firepower. Next card we're getting. You guys pick one. Okay, you guys said this one. One second. Hi. Okay, now we'll open this pack. Because you guys picked it. Ava. First we got this card we already have. The swordfish gun. Next card we got this. Next card we got this. Next card we got this. Next card we got not such a, we got a good card. Not good. Don't need that. This one we got right here. Hollow. Oh, let's go. Like, subscribe if you like this. You like this? Yeah, I do too. Let's go. Next, we'll open this. It's the last pack. No. First, we're getting another good card. First, we got this. And then we got this. Boom, boom. Next card, we got this. Next card, we got this. Next card, we got this. Next card we got this. Next card we got this. It's a fire card. Next card we got this. Next card we got this. Next card we got this. And the best card we got is a Hollow. It's a fire sprayer. And that's, I think, it for a video, but here's the big card. Here's the two big cards. One more time for the video. And here's one of them, and here's another one.
Okay, that one.
And thank you for watching. Bye.